We woke up at like 5:30 this morning and I'm just eating some breakfast before we go to the airport.
Dancing near the ocean, beneath the moon and stars above. Aloha nui nui po, aloha my love.
We've checked in our suitcases to the apartment which we're staying at, but our room isn't ready yet, so we're just waiting at Denny's for them to get us a table for lunch, and it's supposed to be a 15 to 20 minute wait. I got the Fit Slam, I think. I don't know, I've just got scrambled eggs with spinach, turkey bacon, and 2 English muffins. From Denny's to the beach. So cute. It's just a little library. You can take a book. We're just back at our hotel at the moment and our room still isn't ready, so we're just waiting by the pool, but we don't have any of our stuff, so yeah, we're just at a table waiting. We're in our room now and we got a double suite or something, so we've got 2 different rooms and this is our room. This is the view from the window. It's not too spectacular, but we have a little balcony, which is cool. So we'll probably sit out there and eat our breakfast and stuff in the morning. And yeah, that's my bed. And we have a coffee machine and stuff to make coffee in the morning. And an ice bowl. Don't know why I lifted that up. And some cupboards. There's nothing inside them. Okay. And I think this is our wardrobe. Yep. And we have an ironing board in there. And this is our bathroom. Is another kitchenette and some hot plates and a tap, kind of like a mini kitchen thing. I don't know. Another little cupboard in there. There's the beds. Yeah, and we've got a little adjoining door. I just realised there are 2 bathrooms, so that's cool. Oh, we do have a fridge. Yay! And we have the TV. I bagged this bed. This is right near the TV. We're about to get out a bike and ride to to the beach for the fireworks show. It was near impossible to ride the bikes because there were so many people, but now we're off the bikes. We put them back in the little station that they came from, and we're going to go to the food court to get some food for dinner. So I got the salmon bowl from this Japanese place in the food court, and it looks really good. We're across at the fireworks, and there are heaps of people here.
Right above us. Like, and one up that way, right up there.
Just walking back to our hotel at the moment after the fireworks show.